Hello guys, today is January 8, 2020 and this is the update of our Maxine model. This one ma'am is a Maxine model for turnover na po siya this year. The lot area of 100 square meter and with a floor area of 80 square meters. So it has 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath and car garage. And shout out po doon sa ating subscribers. Si Mr. PJ Paras, shout out. Shout out po doon sa ating mga clients na bumili ng bahay. This is the Maxine Model House and Gonzalez family. This is the Maxine Model House. Enriquez family. This is the Maxine Model House. So pretty sure na everyday update po ng project Anyana. Kahapon ito wala pang pintura, but today may pintura na siya. This house po is for turnover na po siya this year. Hey guys, may tripping po tayo today. Ito po si Madam, no? Ayan po, kukuha po siya ng Paris. And then ito yung kanyang Madam na isa. Alright guys, so update ng ating project today. So today is January 8, 2020. Thank you so much and God bless. See you dito po sa Anyana Until Tansa guys. Thank you so much and God bless.